नमस्ते। हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। आई एम JVN Dr. Anamika Aherwal, Associate Professor in the Department of Science and Technology at Jayoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Today I am going to take the lecture on the topic role of software testing. First of all, I would like to tell you about software testing. What do you mean by software testing? Okay. Uh, as we are from computer science background and we will become the developer. Okay, so in the development we are just develop the software or package, you can say, or the application, right? So during the development of that application, you need to go through some different phases, like and one of the main important phase is the testing phase also. Okay, so here I am telling you about the software testing, and all the phases you have already learned in the system development life cycle in the software engineering and subject, or you can say the system analysis design, right? So here I am talking about the software testing. Software testing is basically the process of verifying a system with the purpose of identifying an errors, gaps, or missing requirement versus the actual requirement. Okay, and the software testing is broadly categorized into two types, that is functional testing and the non-functional testing, right? And if we are talking about in terms of definition, you can say, so software testing is defined as an activity to check whether the actual results match the expected results and to ensure that the software system is defect free. And in simple terms, you can say software testing means the verification of application under test, that is AUT, right? Now, what is the purpose of software testing? The primary purpose of software testing is to detect software failures so that defects may be discovered and corrected. Okay, like in the schools and colleges or university, there are midterms exams conducted and the main exams conducted. What is the purpose of this? That means what you have learned. So it will be a testing process so that you peoples to know about how much you learn from this subject, right? So same for this software testing. And testing cannot establish that a product functions properly under all conditions, right? But only that it does not function properly under specific conditions. And software tester role. uh, what is the role of software tester? Who is testing the software, right? That is called the software tester. A software tester is responsible for designing testing scenarios, for usability testing, and he is responsible for conducting the testing, thereafter analyze the results and then submit his observations to the development team. He may have to interact with the clients to better understand the product requirements, or in case of design requirements, any kind of modifications. So you can say software testers are often responsible for creating test product documentation and also has to participate in testing related work through, right? So this is the basic role of software tester. And what are the responsibility of software tester? First responsibility is the creation of test design, test processes, test cases, and test data. Second is the carry out testing as per the defined procedures and participating in walkthroughs of testing procedures. The next is the prepare all report related to software testing carried out, ensure that all tested related works is carried out as per the defined standards and procedures. So these all five the responsibilities of software tester. So this is all about today's session, and this session powered by digital version 2.0 Jayoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Hope you are satisfied with my digital session. Uh, um, If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.